Sorry. Yo, what's up guys, Mārscale here. Today I just want to do a short update video. Oh my god, does it look... Oh, that is shit quality, please. Horrible. I want to do a quick update video. I'm actually in my sister's room right now because it's way cleaner than mine. And she's not here, so that's okay. What I want to say is that I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna stretch it out any longer. Not gonna torture myself. I have to say this. I officially failed the 30-day workout challenge. I know it's so hard to say that, but it's true, and that's just it. I am gonna try it again someday. Maybe, I don't know, during a break or something. So I don't have to do school and the workout challenge and editing and recording every single day. It's hard, especially for somebody who's not used to doing that. I did it for 4 days and I was completely exhausted. I was going to sleep at like 4 a.m. when I had to get up for school at like 5:30. So I'm gonna discontinue this challenge for now. I am gonna accomplish it someday, and I'm sure of that. So one more thing, I haven't posted any videos in about a week, maybe a bit more, and that's because first of all school, second of all second of all, right now this just became my priority yesterday. My friend asked me to collab with him. He made a beat on a beatmaker app, and he wants me to use it in one of my videos, and he asked me if I could put it on some of my most badass moments, and he told me I could make it into kind of like a channel trailer, so as long as I credit him. And the beat is pretty good. It's not like, it's his first beat, so it's not pristine, but it's a beat. It's pretty good. I like it. So I think I'm just gonna work on that. Right now I'm actually going to a roof to slide down it to get a cool shot. Hopefully that works. That is gonna be so good if it succeeds. If it doesn't, I'll just put in some other badass moment, but I'm pretty sure it will. I might also record something on the way there or on the way back. We'll see. But yeah, that's what I'm working on. I hope I can edit it well so it looks cool. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope I didn't cover the mic too much while recording this. Yeah, thank you for watching this update video. Subscribe, like, and share for survival. Survival. Imagine. I actually have an old survival channel. It's called Survivalist Martin, or Survival Martin. Marcin. That's my name, but you say Martin because that's just a translation of it into English. Yeah, so go check that out if you would like to see some old, crappy survival videos. But yeah, if you want to see more rooftoping, climbing and parkour and working out videos, subscribe, like, and share, please. I'm begging you. Also comment. I want to see who subs to me, because you can't see all the subs. I have 20 now, and I only know like 5 of them. So yeah, comment down below what you thought, any tips, anything you want me to do, just that kind of stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is Mārscale signing out. Peace.